Thank you very much. And if you're new for our channel, guys, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We need to reach 1K subscribers. We go 530, so there was like 300 and some 400 and something subscribe left. So please, I need your support. Guys, today I got a big problem. The reason, even you see to the title what I write, my main YouTube account, the reason I start this one, that old YouTube is dead. I don't know what happened. This morning when I wake up and I check my channel, I see it was demonetized, and when I tried to check, they told me there were some people, they tried to use my channel like their own channel. I don't know what they was doing. I don't understand even. And I tried to write email to YouTube, and I hope they're gonna respond to me. I don't know what happened, so I don't have my YouTube channel in my hand. So please and please, guys, that is the big problem I got today. So I was just requesting, guys, if you can support me with my this YouTube I open now. I need 1K subscribers. I hope my other YouTube is gone, but I don't know what happened. But I'm trying to follow up in case if I get back my monetization, everything, I will continue with the main one. And if gone, let me say gone, I don't have any problem. It's not the end of my life. I will open another YouTube channel like the way I opened this one. Then please, I need your support. I don't want to talk a lot of things. Thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Thank you. And any information I get, I will try to give you update. But you have to know, guys, the big channel I was having is gone. That is say bye bye to me, and I don't know why I got demonetized. I don't understand. The channel is there, everything is there, but YouTube, they drop down my monetization. I don't understand. So anyway, thank you very much, guys, for those who just subscribe now, and I reached 500 and something, and I appreciate again you are going to subscribe to get that 1000 for monetization. That's the main thing now. I'm just asking from you guys, but that's what happened to me, guys. Please, if you're new, subscribe to this channel. I'll try to build up with this one, or if that one I get back and I get all the information what happened to that one also is good. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.